Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Firefox mobile browser app theme. As you can see, currently I'm on a light theme and I can either switch this to dark theme or even my default mobile theme. To do this is pretty simple, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To change your Firefox browser mobile app theme, just tap on the ellipsis here and then you should see settings. Go to settings and then choose customize. Now under customize, you should see we have theme and this is my current theme. It is device theme. You can either switch to dark theme if you wish or light theme. So I'll wish to switch to dark theme and I'll just tap on that. And by doing so, now I have my theme set to dark. So that's how you can change your Firefox mobile browsing theme on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.